Hello friends, and welcome at my channel. Today is the day that I would like to present how and why we divide fractions the way we do. So I know that actually everybody learns that if you divide a fraction by another one, you just multiply times the reciprocal, but do we really know why? And this is the question that I want to answer today. So let's pay some attention. Let's see. We have A divided by B divided over C divided by D. And we know basically that the answer would be a multiplication of A divided by B times D divided by C. But why actually? So let's prove it. And this is actually what we use everywhere. And it's not that obvious that we should multiply times a reciprocal, isn't that? If yes, let me know it below in the comments, but I'm not sure it was obvious for my students, for no one actually, and it wasn't obvious for me either. So if you're a different type of learner, let me know it. All right, let's see. A divided by B divided over C divided by D can be actually written as A divided by B divided over C divided by D, as you can see it right now. I multiply this fraction times 1, which isn't changing anything. And I can rewrite this one the way I like it, and I just prefer to write number 1 that I see right here as B times D divided over 1 over B times D divided by 1. So it's a very weirdly looking number 1 that you see right now, but this is a good one for our purposes. You will see in a moment. So how do we multiply fractions? Well, I already posted a video why and how we multiply fractions. If you well, this is in German, but you can this is mathematics. We don't need the language that much, but you can also put in the subs and you can see it. Otherwise, let me know if you want to have some more explanations. So we just multiply numerators and denominators of both fractions, so the black one and the red one. That means we have A divided by B times B times D divided by 1 divided over C divided by D times B times D divided by 1, as you can see. So now we again have two fractions, two in the numerator and 2 in the denominator. We also multiply them the way we know it. So this is A times B times D divided over B times 1 divided over C times B times D divided over D times 1, as you can see. All right? Does it make sense? I hope so. And now we can rearrange using the commutative law by the multiplication the way we like it. So I'm just rearranging A and B right here in the numerator, and I am rearranging D and 1 in the denominator. So let's see what is the result. This is B times A times D divided over B times 1 divided over C times B times D divided over 1 times D. And now look, we can split the fractions because we multiply them right here and right there. This is what I would like to do. So B divided by B times A times D divided by 1 divided over C times B divided by 1 times D divided by D. And now you see maybe why I wrote number 1 the way I chosen it, because now, as you can see, B divided by B is 1 and D divided by D is 1 as well. So now we have A times D divided by 1 over C times B divided by 1. Division by 1 means nothing, so we can actually forget about that. So that would be A times D divided by C times B, right? But using the commutative law once again, we can rearrange CB and BC, so we would have B times C right here. And now we can split the fraction exactly in the middle, so we would have A divided by B times D divided by C. And now you see the question mark can be erased right now. We proved it. Hope you liked it. I hope it's clear. All the steps are actually absolutely obvious now. And this is what we use if we divide fractions. So good luck and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.